Alright, today I'm going to take you through the updates to the staff management screen. So if we come into the app, to the main screen here, you will now select the Select Staff button down the bottom, and you'll see it takes you to the Timesheet screen. And you can tell that by looking down the bottom where it says Timesheet, and then to the right there is the Staff button. So if you click on that, it opens up the Staff tab. Now in here, you can click on people as before, just by selecting them. But you've also got this extra menu on the right, which is where you can create groups. So if you've got the same group of pickers each day, you can simply select them by creating a group. So right now, and you click this little arrow on the right side of the screen to open up this menu. And right now, I've created a team called Team 2, and it has these 7 people inside that team. But I can also add extra people just by clicking on their names. So let's say I've got Team 2 highlighted, and then I jump back into the timesheet screen. Those are the people that will appear in this list. Right, so with each person, you've got the ability to see how many hours they've done and the ability to add a new activity. So let's say Elon Musk did a new activity. I select, click anywhere on the line where it says new activity, and it will open up to a screen where I can scroll through here and select an activity that Elon Musk has done today. And let's say he had been out spraying. So I click on that, and he had spent all day doing that. So I'm just going to add that up to 8 hours. There's also the plus 15-minute option over there, where you can increase the number of hours too. Now, the location information is the same as picking. So if I select Thompson, so you can select to wherever you want. And let's say I know he's done rows 1 to 5 today, and the system will know that because you're on the Thompson orchard and block 1, that the only variety there is NV. So I'm just going to select that as well and click add. So now we know that Elon Musk was spraying block 1 for 8 hours today. And you might find that you've got your entire group has done a similar activity for the whole day. So you click the big plus on the top right of the screen. Now what this does is enable you to add an activity for everyone. So let's say everyone was out pruning, and we know the rate was $2.50 a tree, and let's say everyone did 50 trees, just to keep it simple. They were on the orchard, Thompson Orchard, again block 1, area 1, and Royal Gala. So let's add in some hours. So they were all there for 4 hours. That's what they did today. And I click add. Now everyone has that assigned to their name. So you've got the activity, the location in terms of which block, the rate, and the quantity. So 50 trees, $2.50 rate. And everyone's worked for 4 hours apart from Elon Musk's worked for 12. You've now got the ability to print a full summary of all of that, and in the coming days you'll be able to email all of this out to your team as well. Thanks for watching.